Good.
This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, hi, good morning, all of you. Yeah, still my throat infection has not gone, but a little bit is there, But as compared to earlier, it was good, but it
Okay.
is slowly recovering. Okay, so inventory management yesterday we have seen STO with SD shipping and without billing. But yesterday, if you see the yesterday video, uh, outbound delivery with VL10G T.Code, nothing was appearing. Why means because some slight configuration setting, even as I told you, if that is the mistake, then you will never get the proper outbound delivery or whatever it is. So yesterday I checked why it was not appearing. Let me show you. So go to T code OVL2. You need to see this part 6, then only you will understand the last one. So here actually what was happening is I have taken my plant WCP1, Wipro Computer Plant 1. That was my supplying plant, and WCP2 receiving plant. So usually what was happening, as we have seen earlier also, so many WCP1 was there here plant. WCP1 as well as WCP2 was also there. So the system will get confused, right? Only one should be there. So wherever WCP1 and WCP2 extra was there, I removed. How to remove? Select like this and remove. But just I'm showing. So I kept only one, WCP1 and WCP2. So let me show you. So wherever multiple WCP1, WCP2 was there, I removed. So maybe it was more than 26 or 27. So the system will get confused. Why that is coming is because we copy, right? We copy from 3000 to our own plant. So sometime it will get copied multiple times. So you need to delete that, and you need to keep only one. So I kept one, and I checked outbound delivery. It is coming. Let me show you. So from starting to down, you need to check. So wherever double, triple times are there, multiple times, your plant, you need to remove and keep only one. Supplying plant and receiving plant. Only one you need to keep. And let me show you. So until and unless you practice, you will never understand. This is one time activity. You need to practice, and once if you get the logic, then it will be easy for you to configure it. So I kept only one. One is supplying plant, WCP1. Another is receiving plant. Let me check 1 second. You check here, it should be WCP1. WCP1, Wipro Computer Plant 1. And let me know if it is there.
There is WCP2.
Where? Where? Up?
Mm. It must have gone down.
Down?
Yeah,
Up or down?
down.
Okay, I'm checking. WCP2 is receiving plant. Yeah, see this. I got this also. WCP1. In our configuration also, see here, supplying group as soon as possible. So here, this is plant. Okay. And it is like this. Proposed. PRSSP means proposed shipping point. So you need to give this. I have given this, which is there here. Okay. This is as soon as possible 01. I have given here. See. Okay. As soon as possible. I have given this. Okay. Loading group I have given this 0001. Plant I have given, and this one I have given. What is that? Proposed shipping point. Chennai. CHSP means Chennai shipping point. And other is, as you told, WCP2, right? Let me go down. So actually, it was appearing multiple times. WCP1, WC. Those system will get confused, right? So you need to remove that all. How to remove? Like you need to select this and click this delete button and save it. More down, Zaid.
It was down. I don't know where it has
Okay,
gone.
okay. Let me check. Are you still in for outside country or you came back to India?
No, I'm in Kuwait.
Okay, okay. So when are you coming to India?
Maybe August first week or
Okay,
July.
okay, 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 okay. But Zaid, you need to practice because this is very important topic, inventory management. As I told you, in Gulf country, they sometime the requirement will be wanted IM consultant, only inventory management. That is a part of MM. If that is the case, and then you are lucky to get a job. But these things you should know. The configuration setting, STO without SD shipping and STO with SD shipping without billing. This all configuration, if you know, then you can get a job as a IM consultant. Until unless you practice in your system, you won't understand. My recording is 1 hour, 1.5 hour. You can see, but you will feel happy. But once you start doing in your system, then it is something you know what to say. You'll understand there only
Yes, sir. I
because
will
errors will
catch
appear.
up with you.
Ah,
I have to see
yeah, yeah.
previous
You
videos.
exactly. You need to start from inventory management part one. It is there, already uploaded. And Are you practicing or not?
I'm
Sir,
sorry.
Yusuf is mechanical engineer. Yeah, Yusuf, are you practicing?
uh, from last 2 to 3 days, I could not able to practice, sir.
But what about okay? What about earlier classes?
Earlier classes
Inventory management.
I have done
Okay, okay.
inventory manager, and
Uh,
last time we have done in physical,
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Uh,
yeah. We have done physically. Yes.
oh,
Yeah. So you need to practice, Yusuf, because this is practical subject. Until unless
yes,
you
yes,
practice you on a laptop, you will never understand. Because
yes,
video
sir.
recordings are so many in YouTube also is there, but that
Yes,
will
yes,
never help you.
yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So that's the reason. That's the reason you should practice. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
So so Zaid, what I mean to say, WCP2, somewhere it is down. So, okay,
So we are all the way down. Like, I guess we have missed
okay,
WCP2.
okay, okay, leave it. So, WCP2, you need to keep this as blank. That means, this one, don't take anything here, okay? And this also you need to keep blank. And in plant, you need to give WCP2, okay? And proposed shipping point in plant also blank. See, this in plant also you need to give blank. But in proposed shipping point, you need to give Mumbai. Uh, okay, yeah. So you take, sorry, here. This is one second. Loading group. Shh. Yeah. Actually, here it is, like this. Loading group you need to keep blank. Okay. Loading group is blank. But this plant you need to give like this. Plant you give receiving plant, and proposed shipping point is like this for supplying plant and for receiving plant. This is very important. Okay, this part. Mumbai shipping point and this is Chennai shipping point. So I've given this somewhere it is here hidden. Okay, so that was the only reason why it was not affecting. Now let me take you to again testing scenario. Everything is rest, everything configuration is same. Okay, all everything is fit. Also is we have done yesterday in part 6. In part 6, this is also okay. Now let me take you to direct STOP also we have done. So material master in supplying plant, this is also perfect. Sales organization, all, and you need to extend the same material to receiving plant. That is also perfect. Create PR, this is also perfect. STOPU is also there. So yesterday I will show you another PO I've created, ME22N. Earlier yesterday in my class, 196 was there. So I deleted that PO. I've created the new PO because the configuration setting we have made the changes, right? Multiple times wherever that was there, I deleted and again I've created the PO and I created the material also again. and extended the material. Okay. Yeah. So actually, yeah, this was my yesterday's PO. So 198, I think. Let me take 198. Yeah, this is the new one I created. Okay. And see, shipping tab should come. So in shipping tab, as I told you, delivery type for intra companies NL and delivery type for inter companies NLCC. Okay. Shipping point, Chennai shipping point. Okay. And this is customer. We created customer directly with XD01. Yesterday we have done. You can see my recording how to create the customer. Basically, customer will created by SD consultant. So customer number I have given this already. So this is there. You can see this observation loading group, transportation group, how this is coming via material master. Okay. And then after creating this STOPO in receiving plant, you need to create outbound delivery. This is what it is. Yesterday, nothing, no data was there. Now I will show you with VL10G T.Code, VL10G. Go here. What is the shipping point? CHSP, right? Chennai shipping point. You give this CHSP and you remove this 2 and click purchase order button. You need to give the PU number, the one which I created, the recent. Okay, and execute. So yesterday what was happening? After executing, this was blank. Understand? Yusuf and Zaid. So nothing was coming.
Yes, sir.
Now it is coming. See, it is in green.
Yes.
Activities due to shipping, sales, and
You
purchase
see
order
shipping starts time.
for display. Yeah. So here, see, this I have given this all in purchase order. I have given the purchase PO number
Yellow color.
execute. Yeah. In next screen, you will find light in yellow color, which means you have done. These are the 100% configuration. If the light is in red color, so we haven't got red color, right? Otherwise, the it is something, again we need to check. Yeah.
Yes.
So now it is perfect. So yeah. Now click log for delivery creation button, which is in green and black checkbox. So here it is. First select this. Create delivery. Yeah. So log for delivery creation button, green and black checkbox. Or else shift to place F4 also you can do. Shift to place F4. Oh, it's not coming. One second. Mm. So after clicking that, show ahead delivery. Okay, I will show you. If you click background also, it will come. So this is STO with SD shipping and without billing. This is integration between MM and SD. So SD people, what they do, already I have shown you in my part 6. And MM configuration also I have shown you in part 6, inventory management. You just check there. Still it is compiling. So the ship to, like 8866, this is the customer which is created by SD consultant. Yesterday we have created with XD01. You check that, okay? But basically in real time, SD people they will create customer. But as I told you, and vendor XD01 and SK01 in S4 HANA they removed and they kept only one T code, that is BP, business partner. After completion of this topic, I'll show you what are the differences between ECC and S4 HANA. At last, I'll take the class one session so that it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, see here now. You understood? Now here we got the SD document number. Okay, so forget about this. Okay, you just click this background. You will get this SD document number, sales and distribution. Okay, so here we are perfect now. Click hide. Now you'll find SD document number. Okay, note down this number and go back. So, Zaid, you note down this number 8001517. Okay. Now we need to post goose issue PGI. These are our step 6. Okay. So with VL02N. Okay. VL02N. Your outbound delivery number. The same SD number. Okay. So I'm going to VL02N now. Have you noted down 8001517? Zaid.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now post goose issue in supplying plan VL02N. So VL02N. So automatically this number came. Okay. Yeah. Click picking tab. Okay. So here you need to click this picking tab. Okay. So in picking tab, enter supplying plan storage location. So supplying plan storage location and pick the quantity. So here supplying plan WC S1. Okay. Which I have configured. And quantity, pick to quantity, I'm taking 10. Click enter. Okay. In goods movement data, observe movement type 641. One step. If we have selected the checkbox, so movement type is 641 because we have not selected the checkbox. Okay. So 641 movement type is 641. If we select the checkbox, then 647 will appear. 647 will appear. So if we get the error deficit, but we have not got any error. Okay. Now click post goods issue tab PGI. Click this one. Number range for the transaction event WL does not exist. Yeah. If you get this error, already we have done this. Yeah, tell me, Zaid, what is the T code? WL. OMBT, right? Go to OMBT. Okay. So click this group button. Already 2026 we have done this one. Select this and WL. Where is WL? This one. Double click this and click element group button. This came here down. Save it. Okay. So in EHP 7, EHP 7, some difference is there, but you will understand there also. Okay. If anything issue, just let me know. Okay. This also I've done. Now again I'm going there. Post goose issue. Yeah. So here see deficit. So deficit is there. So we got the error, right? Deficit. So go to MB1C and with movement type 501, we will provide the stock. Okay. Because stock is not there. So I'm going to MB1C. Okay. So what I will do, go back. I'll open another session, because if you check the material, what is our material? There is no stock at all, right? If you check in ME22N, what is our material? Let me show you why that error is occurring. ME22N. Yeah. See, 1462, right? This 1462, if I check the stock in MMB, there is no stock at all in unrestricted use. 1462. Plant is WCP1, WCS1. If you execute, there is no stock at all. So without stock, how you will post the goose issue, right? That is our concern. So this is why it is showing deficit. So instead of bringing the stock with PO, GR, directly what I will do with MB1C, I will bring the stock with 501 movement type. Okay. So I'm going with MB1C T.Code 501, receive without PO. Right. What is that number? Material number, Yusuf?
800
Hey, no, no, no.
81517.
No, no, here I'm talking about
Around four
material,
six
material,
seven.
material number 146,
M22N
1462,
1462.
1462, 1462. So I'm bringing some stock like, let's say, 100. Locked. Why it is showing locked? Because we are here. We need to close this. That's why it is saying lock. Now click enter and save it. Now again I'll do the PGI, post goose issue. So now if I check the stock in MMB, it will show in unrestricted for 1462, it will show 100, okay? Yeah, so again, I'm going to PGI, post goose issue, VL02N. So go to VL02N, give this outbound delivery number, okay? And in picking tab already, yeah, we need to give the storage location and pick to quantity, right? That's it. And click PGI button, post goose issue, and observe created transfer posting or PGI document number in same screen by clicking document flow button or PO history tab in ME23N. So tomorrow I will start intercompany. Yeah. So now it is done. Tomorrow I will start intercompany transfer of stock from one company code to another company code. That is intercompany. Yeah. So now we got this PGI. Okay. So how to check? Either go to PGI display in MyGo. Go to this PGI document display MyGo and observe accounting document. We can observe the accounting document also. Or else in PO history tab, if you go to ME23N, you will find that PGI. Okay. So I'm going to ME23N. In PO history tab also, you can see this is what it is, right? 198 PO history tab. See this one, goods issue, right? This part. If you double click this, it will go here, right? Yeah. And if you want to see the accounting document, how to check? As I told you always, go to MyGo A08. So I'm going to MyGo A08. Sometime they may ask in interview, what are the accounting document created? So if you tell this, it will be very, very good. So you see, stock value decreased in supplying plant and increase in receiving plant through stock in transit. Click FI document. So stock value decrease in supplying plan and increase in receiving plan. How to check that? You can even see you can even see with uh, MMB also, right? So I'm going to MMB. Earlier it was 100, right? 100. Now it is decreased to 90. 90, right? And receiving plant is WC P2, right? WCS3. Now it is increased to 10. Decrease in supplying plant, increase in receiving plant. On order stock is 10. Okay? Yeah. If you want to check in MB5T, actually, how it increases. So in receiving plan, actually, it will be showing here on order, but you check in MB5T, MB5T T.Code, especially for receiving plan, WCP2, execute. So it will show here 10. Okay? Yeah. Now enter GR in receiving plan. Go to MyGo and give the outbound delivery number. Okay. So now I'm going to MyGo. So these are the steps are very important. They will ask you like, okay, boss, after configuring STO with SD and without billing, okay, what is the process? What you will do? So you need to start from material. You create the material, and in material, whatever views you are selecting, that view is important. You need to tell the interview after that what you will do. So all steps, you need to tell. Okay, my go. Now take this A01 and A05. A01, A05 outbound delivery. What is that outbound delivery number, Zaid? You have noted down. Tell me.
800
Uh,
15
uh,
175.
175. Okay, click enter. Okay, this outbound delivery. In partner tab, observe all the details and click item OK and check and post. See, this is what it is. Supplying plant. So item okay. Check and post or directly save it. So transit stock decreased in MB5T and increase in receiving plan and MB. Here no accounting document created because already stock value updated in both the plants at post goods issue. That's why no accounting document created. Let me take you to that part also. So now you can check in MMB for receiving plan. So it will show in unrestricted as 10. Yeah. So document is posted. Now if you check in MMB for receiving plant, okay, it will show in unrestricted 10. Okay. Accounting document is not created. So how to check? Go to MyGo A04. Always to check the accounting document. Click enter. This will come by default. Click doc info button. FI document. No subsequent accounting document. You will find this. That means no accounting document is created. Right? So that is what it is. We have finished this. STO with SD and without billing. So tomorrow I'll start STO with SD and with billing. Billing means Myro. Okay? Invoice. So here before going to this part, we need to implement two company code. Already one I have done, another another Wipro bulb I need to configure. After that only we can able to do this STO with SD shipping. Okay, you understood? But till now you practice. Yusuf and Zaid.
Okay, sir.
It's a-
Okay, so we'll continue tomorrow STO with SD shipping and with building. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
okay then, chalo,
Okay.
bye.
Thank you.
Okay, then, bye, bye.